Splash, splash, let's dive deep into the sea to meet our ocean friends from A to Z. A is for an anemone, waving my arms in the deep blue sea. A is for angelfish, swimming around with a happy swish. B is for blue whale, splashing the water with my giant tail. B is for blowfish, puffing my cheeks like a round little dish. C is for crab, clicking my claws with a snap and a dab. C is for clam, hiding inside, oh how happy I am. D is for dolphin, jumping up high with a smile on my fin. D is for diver, swimming deep down like a brave ocean rider. E is for eel, wiggling fast, oh how funny I feel. E is for eagle ray, flapping my wings as I glide far away. F is for flying fish, soaring through air with a magical wish. F is for flounder, hiding in sand as the waves roll around her. G is for giant squid, hiding in shadows, oh look what I did. G is for go by, sitting so still with my friend little Toby. H is for hammerhead, swimming around on the sandy seabed. H is for hermit crab, finding a shell that is totally fab. I is for isopod, crawling along with a happy little nod. I is for iceberg, floating so cold past a chilly seabird. J is for jellyfish, floating like bubbles, oh what a squish. J is for jackfish, zipping through water, super fast track fish. K is for krill, swimming together, we never sit still. K is for killer whale, leaping up high with a black and white tail. L is for lobster, walking along like a deep sea rock star. L is for lionfish, spreading my fins with a beautiful swish. M is for manta ray, gliding so smooth through the ocean all day. M is for manatee, floating along just as calm as can be. N is for narwhal, pointy unicorn horn, coolest of all. N is for nautilus, swirling my shell without making a fuss. O is for octopus, eight tickly arms making a big splashy fuss. O is for otter, floating around on my back in the water. P is for parrotfish, eating the coral, a colorful dish. P is for penguin, diving deep down for a fishy to win. Q is for queen conch, listen closely to my magical honk. Q is for quahog, clapping my shell in the deep ocean fog. R is for remora, hitching a ride on the ocean flora. R is for right whale, waving hello with a giant gray tail. S is for shark, chomping my teeth when it's sunny or dark. S is for seahorse, riding the waves on my magical course. T is for turtle, paddling slow past the sea green myrtle. T under the bright luna. U is for urchin, spiky and round on the reef I am searching. U is for undersea, full of adventures for you and for me. V is for viper fish, glowing deep down, a magnificent fish. V is for vampire squid, folding my arms, oh, look what I did. W is for walrus, resting on ice with my friends in the chorus. W is for wave, splashing so high, feeling super and brave. X is for X-ray fish, see right through me, a transparent fish. X is for sanded crab, hiding in coral, a little mud dab. Y is for yellow tank, bright like the sun with my little fish gang. Y is for yacht, sailing above in a warm sunny spot. Z is for zebra shark, covered in spots from the dawn to the dark. Z is for zooplankton, drifting along until the day is done. Swim to the left, swim to the right, ocean friends, you're a beautiful sight. A to the Z, we learned them today. Now splash your hands and shout.